Mr. Wilson. Ready?
Hello. Sorry. Hello. How you doing? I got tired of getting the screen. I could fade out, man.
I can't see you. What happened? Oh,
I'm right here.
how's it going?
I'm outside the courtroom.
Hello?
You want me to come back in?
Yes. I can't see
Okay,
nobody.
then.
Hello.
Okay, I'm coming back in now.
Please mute your devices. All right.
Hello.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello.
Please mute your devices. Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering right now and does not represent religious purpose, please remove it. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Oh,
All right, Mr. Jones, I told you to get up, sir. You're not sitting up.
I am sitting up.
I'm gonna have you come inside. You need to get up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking. That's what I mean, sitting up.
Is this better, sir?
Yeah, you're a little bit too relaxed. It's gonna be better when you come in on this. I'm sitting on this bench up here.
I don't have transportation, sir. That's all we're doing.
You got transportation. You got the bus. You got feet. You can walk. I don't want to hear that. There's a benefit you sitting here on Zoom. Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. I'm gonna do the best I can to take you out and get you out in the order that you came in. I'm gonna start with the reviews. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jesse Lee, case number SP158-37041. Good morning to you, Mr. Lee. State your name for the record, please.
Jesse Jerome Lee.
Mr. Lee, the day, date, and time set for a a review. You paid the $500. There's a 12-month delay. Let me see, Ms. Mathis, can you give me a 12-month date, please?
12-month date.
Yeah, but it's not going to be, it's going to be, let me see exactly the date that he entered into this agreement. Oh, that would be from April the, it's April the 9th. I got it, Ms. Mathis. April the 9th.
Okay.
April the 9th, 2027, sir. April the 9th, 2027, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you know what else needs to be done. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Edward Little, case number SP184-39042. Mr. Little, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Hey, good morning. First name Edward, last name Little. Good morning, Judge Perkins.
Good morning to you. Day, date, and time set for review. So when can you get this taken care of?
I can take care of it Friday, sir.
Friday, come back. If you have it taken care of, you don't have to come back. And if you paid any dip, that bless you. had any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back May the 15th. And if it's paid one of those two ways, I should see it immediately. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Do the same thing, Judge. Have a great day.
Have a better one. This is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Michael Lawson Jr. Case number SP. Oh, you must have had an appointed attorney, or did you have case number SP 187-1185, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 187-11861, appearance, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lawson.
Daniel Michael Lawson Jr.
Good morning to you, sir. There's date and time set for a pretrial. I have marked on this file that he was looking for some discovery, Mr. Berry. See what's going on with that. Mr. Lawson, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, you join the room, you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
I will pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Joseph Brandon Jones, case number SP 137-6401, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Joseph Brandon Jones.
Mr. Walling, appearance for the record, please. Mr. Walling, good morning. Appearance for the record for Mr. Joseph Brandon Jones. Mr. Walling.
I'm working on it. There we go. For the record, Your Honor, Philip X. Walling, P35229, representing this defendant.
Joseph, yeah. And Mr. Good morning to you, Mr. Jones. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we'd waive any kind, plead not guilty, waive any kind of formal reading, ask the court to recall the warrants, and for a personal bond.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Jones, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. In the room, we'll pass the matter.
Could I get a ticket sent to me, please, on the narcotics violation?
I don't know if there is one. There are no tickets in here, just ROAs.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Patel, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here for Lorenzo Green. I believe he's on the phone.
Okay, very good. One more, Ms. Memphis. Stay out in the hall and all right, City of Detroit versus Lorenzo Tony Green, case number SP 163-95282, SP 181-3114, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385 for Mr. Green. Mr. Green, would you please state your name for the record?
You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, Mr. Green. *6. Go help him out, please. Green, press *6.
Oh, yes, I'm back on.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Lorenzo Tony Green.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a, one better for you, Mr. Green.
I can barely hear you, Judge, because I'm in the hallway. You want me to stay out here?
I'll tell you, come in a minute. What's going on,
Okay.
Mr. Patel?
Oh yeah, I'm in the program with Disciple Street, and Mr. Chief came over and took all the stuff, so I'm still going out. He said I got to extend it to at least June, so I'm still filling out applications and doing things, and he got told me to have pictures of all the stuff for my information, my taxes I've been done, the money I get from the Social Security. So then I had my basement flooded. So Mr. Chief, he had everything. So he said he sent it over, and I told him I'd tell him I saw you Saturday. So he did come over, Mr. Chief did, from Disciple Street. He came over.
All
to my
right,
house.
great. All right, great. All right, so it seems like you got, I know, sorry about the flooding, but it seems like you're getting things under control. Mr. Patel, what are we doing with these?
Your Honor, he is making significant progress on his action plan. We're just asking for an adjournment till June 23rd so that we can complete the action plan and the street court process.
Okay, I'm going to continue it. Keep up the good work, Mr. Green. Come back on June 23rd. Keep working with Mr. Patel and them, okay?
Yes, sir. And sir, can I say something? I want to thank you. And like I said, I'm do what you're asking me to do. And that's what I want to do. So I will be back. And I thank you for what you have done for me.
Absolutely, sir. You keep up the good work and let's get through this, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Goodbye.
That's it for me, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck. We'll see you soon.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Daniel Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. So what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client, apparently, the Puda listed on the docket is indeed his attorney.
Say that again?
The attorney Puda, he has an attorney.
Okay, very well. Let's pass it. I'll wait on the attorney to come in. All right, let's pass it. Let's see. Ricardo Lee, I think you're set for trial. Let's see. No, he's not. He's not set for trial. let's call it. City of Detroit versus Ricardo Sean Lee. Case numbers SP 11-00613, counts 1 and counts 2, and counts 3, SP 143-0120, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 156-9514, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 165-28041. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Ricardo Sean Lee.
All right, good morning to you. You were set for trial and you missed it.
Oh, I thought my court date was today, Your Honor. I apologize. That's what I was told last time I talked to you.
I'm gonna reset this matter for trial on June 11th at 9 a.m. Don't miss it this time, Mr. Lee. I'm gonna put a cash bond on you.
All right, I got you, Your Honor. Thank you.
9 a.m. I wish
June
you the best of luck. Yeah, June 11th, 9 a.m. June 11th.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Take it easy.
Yes, sir.
Are you scheduled for today?
City of Detroit versus Wendell Christopher. Case number C5373217, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
You need it.
Wendell Lewis.
I'm trying to unmute.
You're on mute. To turn your camera on, sir.
Yeah, I'm trying to right now.
State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Wendell Christopher Lewis. Sorry about that, Judge.
That's all right. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. This was written by somebody. I don't know. Wayne County Sheriff. Put you in a breakout room. Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Lewis, when you see the prompt, you join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Yes, sir. Got you.
Pass the matter. MPO Douglas, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
Who do you have?
I have Miss Danielle George.
Okay, I gave you the breakout room there, and you can stay in the main session if you choose, or you can join in the breakout room 1. That's where the city attorney is going to meet. See you.
Okay, thank you.
Danielle George. I don't see Danielle George on here. I don't see a Danielle George. On the Zoom user device, just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please?
Officer Dowd.
Officer Dowd?
Yes.
And who are you here for?
Sean Lilly.
All right.
Good morning, Judge. Mr. Godbot, please remove your head covering.
Can you repeat
All
that?
right. No, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Officer Dowd. The city attorney will come see you when they get here.
Okay.
Mr. Lilly is here.
Godbot, I heard my name.
Please remove your hat, Mr. Godbot. Thank you, sir.
Kayvana George.
Yes, my name is Kayvana Danielle George, but my first name wasn't called.
Okay. That's who he may be talking about. Yes, so he's here. All right, so you're set for trial. We'll get you out as soon as we can, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, you want me to mute my camera again?
You can. It doesn't matter what you do with your camera. Maya.
Hey,
Um,
sit your ass down. Sit down.
Hey, excuse me.
Watch your mouth. Maya, are you there?
I'm here.
How can we help you, ma'am?
I got a letter saying I had court today.
And when do you have a case number?
No, I don't have anything on me. I just have to go online and find this courtroom.
Is that your last name that it's under?
Yes, Creighton, Crayton.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You're supposed to be in courtroom 435, not 535, 435.
Okay.
Hang up and dial 3. The Zoom ID is 360-435-0000.
One more time, please. One more time.
360-435-0000.
Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. Are you ready on long, Mr. Ogletree?
Ready, Your Honor. We just requested a bench trial date.
This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Tyrese Long, case number SP 185-76211. Appearance for the record, please.
Aaron Ogletree about for Mr. Michael Long. P number 69167. Mr. Long, can you please state your name?
Michael Long.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna set you a bench trial for June the 11th at 9 a.m. June the 11th at 9 a.m. Mr. Long, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
So that means I come in?
You don't have to.
Okay.
If you want to come in, you can, but if you want to do it on Zoom, you can as well.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Long.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Wendell Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
That's what, Mr. Lewis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Judge.
Yeah, very good. June 11th is the date, sir, at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day as well, okay?
You too as well, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Tavion Gardenhire.
Judge, could you give me that date one more time?
June 11th.
Okay, June 11th. Thank you. At what time?
At 9 a.m.
Thank you so much.
All right, have a great day.
Sure.
Tavion Gardenhire, case number City of Detroit versus Tavion Gardenhire, case number SP 1885809, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gardenhire.
Tavion Alante Gardenhire.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Mr. Berry, he has a valid driver's license. Mr. Gardenhire, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? When you
Yes, sir.
see the prompt, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record. He put his glasses on now. He's ready now. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Well, if it hasn't been judged for arraignment purposes, my client, I'm asking the court to set aside the warrant. We'll waive any kind of formal reading and stand mute. We're looking for a pretrial date, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna set the matter for a pretrial date. Mr. Jones, pretrial is going to be June the 4th, 2028 at 8:30. All right, Mr. Jones, you understand? Come in ready to go, okay?
Mr. Jones, tick, 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 okay?
Do you want me to come in? Is there any way we can do a
It'll be on Zoom, sir.
You can do Zoom, but when I mean ready to go, no laying down, no slouching, sit up and act like you want to handle some business, all right?
All right, thanks a lot.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Dewana Linton, case number SP1885659, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Linton.
Miss Linton, I think.
My name is Miss Linton. I'm an old woman.
I'm looking at paper. I don't know.
All right, Miss Linton, state your name for the record. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Dewana Linton.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, Mr. Walling. I'm gonna put you in the breakout. Miss Linton, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to, please. Good morning to you, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay.
Luis Garcia. Luis Garcia.
Good morning.
Good morning. Necesitas, buenos días. Necesitas interpreter?
Sí, tenía una corte para ahora.
All right, un momento. Can we get an interpreter for Mr. Garcia? Cadenas?
Yes.
You say what?
No, I told her this is her favorite courtroom, 535. We need a Spanish interpreter.
That's the old Miss Memphis back there. 313-740-1862. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
I know.
313-740-1862. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Demetrius Gardner.
Demetrius Gardner. Good morning to you, Mr. Gardner.
Good morning.
I don't see you on the docket. Demetrius, Demetric Gardner, right?
Demetric, Demetrick.
I see. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, sir.
Trial. All right.
Oh, shit.
Please mute your device, sir.
You say please do what?
Mute your device.
You say mute?
I'll mute.
Place your device on mute.
I'll do it.
Thank you.
Did you get that one on Ms. Mathis? Was it in the mail?
I sent it to the left of you.
Guy, Lorenzo Green.
Did I get the printout for Lorenzo Green?
It was up on top. The file, you must have taken it off already. I just didn't get the file. You just need to put that with the file.
Okay.
He's in street court. I meant to mark street court on there.
That's okay. Lorenzo Green. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How you doing, Joe? It's Perkins.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Gardenhire. Mr. Gardenhire, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to improper plates with a no registration charge. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
Mr. Gardenhire, you don't have a car in your name?
No, not at all, sir.
All right, you want to take the deal?
Yes, sir. I'll take it.
Raise your right hand, please.
Oh,
No,
that's my left hand. I'm sorry.
Affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
Not at all, sir.
By taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, not at all.
All right, let me draw your attention back to March the 26th, 2026, around 1:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 7 Mile and Winthrop. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
In particular, what does that mean? I don't know what that means.
You get stopped by the police?
Yes, I did.
All right. And were you operating this 2009 Ford?
Yes.
And was that your car?
Yes, sir.
And the officer asked you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
You don't just want to set a trial date for this? See if you can do better? It can't get any worse.
So by me pleading guilty, would I just
stop.
Okay.
Basically, fine today is gonna be $240. If you take the deal, you owe $240. But if you come back on trial, it's gonna be the same offer as it is today. You may an officer may not show, or they may not be able to prove their case. You may not have to pay the $240, but you might have to pay the $240. We'll see on June 11th. You want to set a trial date?
Okay, I'll set a trial date.
Trial date, June 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, sir. I'll see you back on June 11th at 9 a.m.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it, Judge Perkins.
Hey, you as well. City of Detroit versus Marvin Eugene Gibson. Case number SP-187-47261, SP-187-47401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Oh, well, that's set. Wait a minute. That's set for trial. Mr. Gibson, I'm gonna still give the officer their half-hour grace period. I am going to set this aside. If Corporal Croxton doesn't show by 9:30, which I have the time going here, we'll get you out of here. If he does show, we'll get you in a breakout room, okay? Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's pass Gibson. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Antonio Robert Littleton. Case number SP-180-45351. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing
No, that's for Mr. Berry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Littleton.
Antoine Littleton.
Antoine Robert Littleton.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Littleton does owe some civil infractions, one of which he owes 3 of them, one of which is a no insurance proof. In 336, 228 for failure to yield to emergency vehicle, and 264 for 21 to 25 over. It may benefit Mr. Little to pay that at least no insurance proof. If he doesn't have a license, then he get clearances here at the 36 District Court. But that's long in default, Mr. Berry. We're only dealing with smoking marijuana in public. Mr. Little, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Linton. Ms. Linton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Littleton tells me she can come in compliance by the 18th. So I'd ask the court to adjourn. That's a week from today. I'd ask the court to adjourn it 1 week.
Ms. Linton, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I have those documents by the 18th, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, you will.
All right, come back on 5/18 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
City of Detroit versus Xavier William LaPointe. Case number SP-187-70641. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Xavier LaPointe.
And my name is Philip X. Walling, representing Xavier LaPointe.
Good morning to you, Mr. Lapointe. There's date and time set for arraignment on the bench. Warrant for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to recall all warrants, waive any kind of formal reading. My client stands mute at this time.
Very good. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give him a $0 bond. The offer is a 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Lapointe. A $500 fine is going to be due next month. 1 month to pay that $500 fine. And you're going to have to take a gun safety course if you're found guilty or plead to this matter. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you that updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like, well, he's going to talk about the offer with you. That's the offer. Go to the breakout room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. If you don't like that, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. We'll pass the matter.
Hello.
Joyner Garden, Gruden.
My name is Luis Garcia.
No, un momento.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good morning to you, sir. What is your full name?
I'm sorry, sir. I don't talk too much English, so I need you help me with translator, please.
Pardon me?
I don't talk English, so.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Yeah, good morning.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Oh, I'm Joyner Gurdian.
¿Cómo número es su casa?
It's 6349 Cartridge Street.
Repeat.
6349 Cartridge Street, Michigan, Detroit, Michigan. Zip code is 48209.
Un momento. We need to start some time. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Littleton. Mr. Littleton, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Littleton?
Yes, sir.
Come back on June 11th at 9 a.m. June 11th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. The same Zoom meeting number?
Yes, it is.
June 11th at 9:30?
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome. All right, let's go recall the City of Detroit versus Marvin Eugene Gibson, case number SP 187-47261, SP 187-47401. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Marvin Gibson, can you unmute yourself and state your name? Good morning to you.
Marvin Eugene Gibson.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Gibson, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Corporal Croxton did appear on time. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter.
Yo.
Arabic interpreter, good morning to you. Yeah,
Good morning. I'm Al Joda, the Arabic interpreter.
Good morning to you, ma'am. We have Mr. L. What's this? How do you pronounce it? Genevieve.
Janabi. Say the
Janabi.
Janabi Tawiyana.
He's got to press *6 to unmute himself. He indicates to the court that he has an attorney, and we're waiting on that attorney to come in.
Sure, no problem.
Yeah.
You mean to ask him to unmute himself?
Not necessarily. I think
Okay.
he hears you.
Okay, I'll just wait tight if the you call in the case, okay?
نعم.
اوكي يقول لك احنا بدنا ننتظر المحامي مالتك حتى يدخل ويانا على الزوم وانا حكون مترجمه وياك تمام؟
اوكي شكرا جزيلا.
اوكي ثانك يو.
All right, that window is closed. Oh, here they are right here. That window is closed. All right, let's do this. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Vanessa Darcel Greer, case number. SP 187-328 counts 1. No, strike that. SP 187-328-1 counts 1 and counts 2. Good morning to you, Ms. Greer. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vanessa D. Greer.
All right, today, good morning. Today is the date and time set for a trial, and I'm looking for either Officer Davis or Officer Du Bois, and I don't see either. I don't think I have any of those officers on my list either. Ms. Greer, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing for no officer. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And good, congratulations on the license.
Yeah, so my fee is gone too?
No, you still owe these 2 fees for these old tickets. So you owe the court $300.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to reach it. Thornblade.
He's here. Sorry, Ms. Moses, he's here.
Client is on Zoom.
He's here.
He said, oh, he's here.
The attorney is here.
So how do I do that?
The judge is gonna go get the best he can. We were just trying to let you know his client is on Zoom. Thank you.
Okay, Counselor Thornblood. Unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your attorney is here. Your client is here, Genevieve. And the city attorney is here. I'm going to put your client in breakout room 5 with Madam Interpreter. Madam Interpreter, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sure, Your Honor. Amal, A-M-A-L. And last name Judah, J-O-U-D-A-T-T.
Good morning to you. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Arabic and Arabic to English? Madam Interpreter?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. I hear you.
Very well. All right, I'm going to put your client in breakout room 5. I'll send you to breakout room 4 to speak with the city attorney.
Can I get Madam Interpreter's name once again before she goes?
Sure. Amal, A-M-A-L. And last name Judat, Joudatt.
Thank you.
They still on my
Sure.
Put you in breakout room 5 as well. You press *6 to unmute yourself to speak. All right, let's pass the matter.
I'm calling myself trying to take it off.
I'll put you out, Miss Greer. She's gone. All right. Let's go with back on the record with Mr. LaPointe. Mr. LaPointe, I've given you an opportunity to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Today's an arraignment, Your Honor. We waive any kind of formal reading, stand mute, ask the court to recall the warrants.
Yeah, we already entered a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond.
Fabulous. He's going to need a court-appointed lawyer. I've gotten his information for him, so we need to set a pretrial date.
All right, that's what you need, Mr. LaPointe?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna set a pretrial date of June the 4th, 2026 at 8:30. That date is set so that, hold on, Ms. Mel. That date is set so that you can, that appointed attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then if you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot. I need a phone number, please.
Yeah, 586-343-5605.
All right, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, you'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
June the 4th at 8:30. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus DeLorean, Deshaun, Lilly. Case number SP1087351, SP1304623, counts 1. SP1317131, 1. SP1361582, 1. SP1579543, SP1587219, 1. SP1849282, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
I think I'm up. Judge Philip X. Walling, representing this defendant. What is this gentleman's name?
My name
is DeLorean Deshaun Lilly.
Lilly, okay.
Turn your camera on, sir. Day is date and time set for a trial. Can you run Mr. Lilly's license? I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I know Dowd showed, Raleigh showed, Brent was late. Officer Brent, can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Walter Brent, badge 552.
All right. And then Officer Raleigh and Officer Curtis was here as well. Raleigh. And where's Raleigh? Raleigh was here. He's not here now. It doesn't appear. Okay. Mr. Lilly, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barrett, Mr. Walling. He's going to work it, see if he can work it out for you. If he can't, today is time set for trial.
I would say I had a moment, Your Honor. Last time I was here, you still had told me to go obtain my license and show back up here, and then we'll dismiss what was took care of, and to take care of the tickets, SP131711313, and also
I got
okay.
you.
All right,
run
thank
the
you.
license. If you have any other documents, Mr. Walling, show those to Mr. Walling, and then we'll see where it goes.
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Yeah, this is Corporal Croxton. Good morning.
Yeah, go 1 second, Corporal Croxton.
It's valid.
Is the license is valid, Mr. Walling?
Thank you.
All right. What about the case for the civil infraction? Mr. Berry, what do you have?
I have Mr. Gibson, Your Honor. We're ready.
All right, let's go back on the record. I don't see Mr. Gibson.
You don't see him? He's in the courtroom. I mean, not in the on Zoom.
I don't see him. I think he is. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to speeding 1 to 5 over for the docketed speeding ticket. The other matter to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Any probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access. I mean, it's not limited access either. It's just 1 to 5, right?
Correct.
1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, sir?
I'm on the fixed end, probably on the 3rd.
Put a date on it, sir. Date that you know you can.
Next month on the 3rd.
Next month on the 3rd. Pay it by June 3rd, 2020. Pay it by June the 5th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse, pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
How much do I owe? How much do I owe?
125.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Deshari Godber. Case number SN 222-4691, SP 11277-021, SP 11602011, SP 1197697. SP 1978132, SP 1201879, SP 1225451, SP 1240642, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1472597, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 147261191. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Godbot.
Good morning, Deshari Godbot.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. There's date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Godbot, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
Well, pass the matter. Right, let's call the city of Detroit. Well, I need that in Arabic interpreter.
Did they ever zoom in?
Yes, they're in the room.
I was just checking.
Can you run that license for me, Ms. Knox, please? I'm waiting on the interpreter to come out for your client, Counselor.
Your Honor, I did speak to the city attorney. The officer's not available this morning, and she said the people would move to dismiss without prejudice.
I just need the city attorney out here. I mean, since the interpreter showed up, you can try to go see if you can talk to her, join that breakout room and see. Tell her we're waiting on her.
Sorry.
It's the city of Detroit versus Katera Green, case number SP 169-74381. Ms. Green, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Okay, good morning. I'm sorry, I'm trying to turn my thing on.
Ms. Green.
Tara Green.
Good morning to you. I'm
Good
going
morning.
to dismiss this case. It appears, let me see, make sure I'm speaking right. You paid, I'm going to dismiss the case, okay?
Yeah, I have a question. Okay. I tried to because remember I told you I wasn't going to get my license back, but I think you told me to still do it. I tried to, and they said it's still 2 judgments about the false information. I thought you already dismissed that case because the officer didn't show up, and they said it's something else that's stopping it too, but it's not nothing that you said. But it's from 36th district, huh?
I don't see anything here. Let's see. I don't see anything here. Let me see your rest of
Yeah, because I went to go to the Secretary of State to pay
the number.
when I paid it off.
Did you get the case numbers, ma'am?
You said that I get the case. Oh, well, it said no. Remember the false where the officer said I gave him the wrong name, but it was my married last name instead of my maiden last name. But I thought that case was dismissed because the officer didn't show up. Like I thought we took care of that like 3-4 days ago.
That's affecting your license. And what else is affecting your license?
They said it's another judgment from like Progressive or something. I don't know.
Well, you got to get the numbers. How am I going to help you? I see the false ID.
I don't know. She didn't give me the number for it. She just said a judgment from 36 different. She said it's 2 of them. The false identification and a judgment from Progressive. And I don't even I don't know. But she said those are the only 2 that's stopping it now.
About to go do that now? All right. So it must be this no insurance proof. I'm going to try both of these. I'm going to send they're both closed out. I'm going to send a note to the abstract lady downstairs and see if they can clear those out. You don't have to do anything else. I'm going to send that note and hopefully that takes care of it.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, be safe. I'll dismiss the matter. Okay, best of luck to you, ma'am.
Enjoy the rest of your day. You too.
You as well. Thank you.
Can you put me back in the breakout room? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No.
I don't know.
Listen, we're ready to go. We're ready to go.
Okay.
Plus the star, Mr. L. Genevieve. Press star 6 to unmute yourself, please.
خليه على الانميوت. انت خلي على الصامت.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus L. Genevieve, case number SP 188-91071. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Kurt Thornblade, P25858 on behalf of Mr. Genevieve.
هاي المحاكمة إن هي في مدينة ديترويت إنه سيد جديدة هذا المحامي هو المتوكل لك.
All right, good morning, Mr. Genevieve. State your name for the record, please. Press
صباح
star.
الخير لك القاضي. عرف عن نفسك اسمك.
Star 6 to unmute yourself, sir.
خلي اسمك أقول أنه عندك خالي اسم السايلنت الصامت. افتح المايك مشان تسمعك. سامعني سيد بيدا؟
He's going out there.
سامعك.
I can hear you now.
Good morning to you, sir. State your name for the record, please.
قول اسمك الكامل.
الخالق نفيد.
خالد نبيد.
All right, there's the date and time set for a formal hearing. Case is going to be dismissed per the city attorney. If there's nothing further, everybody have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. يقول لك انه القضية قام بالعفو عنه وما عندك اي شيء معنا. نتمنى لك الحظ الجيد. مع السلامة. القضية ما عندك اي شيء. ما في اي شيء. خلاص.
ما في اي نقطة.
No points, Your Honor.
No points. He can come in the court to get some paperwork. Just have him hang up before he comes in here. Best of luck to you all. Have a very good rest of your day.
انتظر في اليومين اذا بدك تجي على المحكمة وتاخذ ورقة من عندهم انه يتم اخلاء سبيلك. تمام؟
اوكي ننتظر يومين ناتي هنا عند المحل هون.
عند المحكمة مش المحل. اوكي؟
المحكمة هناك. انا اللي موجود هناك. انا موجود هناك اليوم في المحكمة.
اوكي.
شكرا.
Thank you.
أتمنى لك يوما سعيدا وأشكره هو أيضا.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, he's got to hang up. He's still saying stuff.
يقول لك مع السلامة. يلا خلصنا. خلاص.
That's
all. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. مع السلامة. يلا مع السلامة.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
These two, Ms. Mathis, can you send a note to the abstract clerk?
On those two ones to print it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lilly. Mr. Lilly has understood that these cases are going to be dismissed for compliance, Mr.
Well, I marked him as compliance, Your Honor. If the people want to make a motion, I'll do it. He has his license and he has his, which was verified by your clerk, and he has insurance that expires in January of 15th of 2027. I think that covers everything Mr. Lyles has got. And I want to thank all the officers for being here.
Okay. I'm going to dismiss the cases. Now, you're still going to owe a substantial amount of money for these old civil infractions, sir. All right. Pay the warrant fees as well. So you'll have to pay any reinstatement fee, and you'll have to pay for the I only see one reinstatement fee, and then you just got to pay the monies that you owed on the civil infractions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. That all your misdemeanors are dismissed. Okay. Civil infractions were all in default, and they went back too far for me to set aside. So you have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you. Can you run that license, please?
One question, Your Honor, on the citations, would they pop up on the kiosk?
Yes, it should all pop up on the kiosk.
Okay.
All right. Be safe, sir. Congratulations on getting the license. Have a very good rest of your day.
You do as well.
Mr. Puta, are you here on Lawson?
So I need to speak with the prosecutor, please.
All right, I'm gonna put Lawson in 5, and Mr. Lawson, join 5. Your counsel is here, and we will let the prosecutor is actually gone to another courtroom momentarily, so you can go to 4 and wait on the prosecutor. Good morning to you. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Robert Kenneth Liberta, case number 2677-13171. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Liberta.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. State your name for the record. Good morning to you again. Where's Liberta?
Hold on, I'm trying to run his license. It didn't come out. Let me do it again.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir, and state your name, please. Robert? No, not you, Garner. Robert Liberta.
Oh. Robert Kenneth Liberta.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time is set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. He's in there. We'll pass the matter. You having trouble running it?
Well, it said no match. I'm not doing it.
All right, it says no match right now, Mr. Walling. I think it's coming out.
Okay.
It's revoked. All right. Let's pass that matter. Chris Malaskis. Alsal Liskis. Can you give me the correct pronunciation? Good morning to you. Unmute yourself. Start your camera, please. Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name?
Persona que se agregó con Zoom, puede prender su cámara, decir su nombre, por favor.
Okay, I'll get you out of here soon, Madam Interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Zoom user, you have to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room if you can't respond. I think they hung up.
Hola, soy Joyner Gurdian.
Oh, can we get a case number for Mr. Gudon?
Your Honor, I believe we have a Spanish person in here.
Pardon me, the Mr. Joyner Gudon.
Joyner Gurdian.
Sí, Joyner
Ask him,
Gurdian.
does he have a case number, please?
¿Tiene un número de boleta, señor Gurdian?
El número de ticket, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Sí, permítame, ahorita se lo.
One moment, please. Let me look for it.
Un segundito.
Give me 1 second, please.
Es P189 5240.
SP 1895240.
Ese día recibí 2 boletas.
I have 2 tickets.
All right. I have it.
Ya lo encontré, un momento.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
He was supposed to be here on the 7th. He missed his court date.
Usted tendría que haber comparecido aquí el 7. Usted perdió su audiencia.
No la perdí, sino que no tenía traductor ese día y me dijeron que me uniera hoy porque ese día no había traductor.
I was there, Your Honor. However, there was not an interpreter for me. So they asked me to rejoin today.
Okay.
Entiendo.
What's his name again? What's his name again?
This is in the thing.
Oh, okay, you just printed it.
Ms. June, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Celine Yu, qualified Spanish interpreter 16237.
Do you swear or solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Well. That was probably, you were here Thursday. You weren't here Friday.
Yeah, I told him. It's okay, I told him this one. You don't have no water in it? It's completely empty. Okay.
All right, we're waiting on an attorney.
Vamos a esperar al abogado un momento, por favor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Liberta. Mr. Liberta, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
At this time, Your Honor, Mr. Liberta wishes to accept the people's gracious offer to one count of failure to display instead of the NOP. I have advised him of his rights. He's ready.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Right hand's right.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 3rd, 2026, around 1:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit. in the area of Wexford and 8 Mile Road. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Should I ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, Your Honor.
Why is that?
They're revoked.
Very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. It'll be a $240 fine. When can you pay?
Judge, he would like 2 installments. He believe half of it can be paid by the 27th.
All right. Well, I'm going to give him 30 days. I don't supervise the installments. I'll let the downstairs cashier do that. I'll mark the file allow payment plan.
Thank you, Judge.
So do one of 2 things, sir. Pay it off by June the 11th. I pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or you come on down to the courthouse and get into an installment plan on or before June 11th. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Liberti, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. Mr. Walling, this gentleman needs an interpreter. And let Madam interpret, translate my thing, and then then you speak, and we'll get a rhythm going like that.
Absolutely.
This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Junie, versus Luis Gustavo Garcia Godinez. Case number SP 188-989-2, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 188-98931. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, estamos en la causa de la Fiscalía de la Ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Gustavo García Godínez. El número de la causa es SP 188-98921, cargos 1 y 2. El número de segunda boleta es SP 188-98931. Por favor, preséntense.
Hola, mi nombre es Luis Gustavo García Godínez.
Hello, my name is Luis García Godínez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, señor Luis García. El día de hoy estamos aquí a esta hora también para su audiencia previa al juicio. Lo voy a poner en una sala privada de consulta con el abogado Whaling. Él le va a dar una oferta de resolución. Tenga en cuenta que si usted no está de acuerdo con esta oferta de resolución, usted tiene el derecho absoluto a pedir que se fije una fecha para un juicio.
Okay.
Did you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Walling?
I don't believe I did, Judge. My name is Philip X. Walling, representing Luis Garcia Godínez.
Godínez.
Y usted se presentó, comenta el juez. Creo que no me presenté, su señoría. Mi nombre es Philip Whaling y yo voy a estar aquí representando al señor Luis García Godínez.
All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta y me dice qué quiere hacer cuando regrese. Acepta la invitación.
All right, let's pass the matter to the Shari Godfather. All right, let's go back on the record with Deshari Godbot. Ms. Godbot, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Godbot?
Yes.
All right. Trial is going to be June 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay? Did nobody change the address? Are you still in Alexandria, Virginia?
Yes.
All right.
And it's June 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
Yes, they didn't change the address, Ms. Mathis.
Okay.
Whoever put it in the last time did not
Oh, okay.
update the address. All right, June the 11th. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Is that your brother here?
That's my father.
That's your father. All right.
Yes.
All right. All right. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning to you. City of Detroit. Versus Robert Lee Gray Jr. Case number is SP 128-0131, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 129-7976, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 144-21311, SP 150-3764, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir.
I'm sorry, Robert Lee Gray Jr.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. I want to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get an offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you don't have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Berry, I don't see anything down here that's affecting his ability to get a license. If he doesn't,
I got my license. I just need to get a couple warrants uplifted. Yes.
Run his license, please. All right, I'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you that updated offer. Join the room.
Okay.
He's in. Let's pass the matter. You didn't see a file for him.
I can go check.
There's now no license.
It's valid.
It's wrong. I don't know which address is good for him. Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a retomar la causa del señor García. Señor García, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿cómo vamos a proceder?
Your Honor, I'm thrilled to report that Mr. Garcia is in compliance.
Sí, su señoría, mire, yo estoy muy contento de reportarle que el señor García ha cumplido con todos sus documentos.
He tells me his license expires June 29th of 29.
Él me dijo que su licencia de conducir se vence el 29 de junio del año 29.
And his insurance expires on May the 14th, a couple of days from now.
Y su seguro automovilístico se le vence el 14 de mayo, en 2 días más.
He also tells me he's removed the tint in the tinted windows.
Él también me comenta que él ya quitó el polarizado de sus ventanas.
So I moved to dismiss all these matters.
Así que estoy haciendo una petición para que estas causas se desestimen.
All right, license is not valid.
Ooh.
La licencia no es válida.
Oh, no es válida.
Let's put him back. Let's put him back in a room. See what's going on.
Por favor, páselo a la sala de consulta privada para nosotros platicar con él.
All right. Rejoin the room.
Back in 5, everyone.
Por
Or
favor,
3, rather.
acepte la invitación a la sala privada número 3.
Okay.
Your Honor, do we only have Mr. Walling as a House Counsel today?
No, Mr. Berry as well.
Oh, okay.
Can you call Miss Horn, please?
Yeah. Okay.
No, Miss Lowe, you haven't been dismissed.
Can you tell me somebody to make on, please? Thank you.
The lawyers are getting stacked up in 4, Judge, waiting for Ms. Horn. You want me to do something else in the interim?
You want to? Okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus DeLarry Cornell Godbutt. Case number, that's the Shari Godbutt. All right, that's why I didn't have that one. That taken care of. Case number SP 1127544, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1162168, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1180358, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1402856, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 956699, counts 1 and counts 2. S 18-417759, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. 19391486 and 9 counts and 19391486 19703282, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing DeLarry Godbot.
Mr. Godbot, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
DeLarry Godbot.
All right, day, date, and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. He had a trial date set for May the 11th as well, that he did not appear. Purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, I'd ask the court to set aside all these bench warrants, waive any kind of formal reading, and stand mute. He has a trial scheduled for today?
Oh, he had a trial scheduled for May the 11th that he missed.
Today's mail.
He has two, I told him about the two no insurance proofs. He knows everything. Mr. Guy, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. When you see the prompt, you let us know what you want to do when you come out. Breakout room 6.
So, that he is not the Shari Godbot, correct?
No, I'm not.
Okay. All right. And he's in room 6.
Good morning to you. Let's pass the matter. How you doing? How you doing? All right. What's going on here? Oh, it's something.
Jeffrey.
It's something.
A review.
He came in with you.
We're here for a review, Judge.
All
You know
right.
what? I couldn't find you.
Why couldn't you?
You moved your courtroom.
They moved me.
Oh, I'm so
Yeah, I
sorry to
ain't.
hear that. I'm so sorry to hear that.
Why?
I went to your other courtroom and I was like,
You know something? It's not a bad deal. Look at all this. I'm in the penthouse. Step up, Mr. Lee. The City of Detroit versus Jeffrey Lee. Case number is Z8094821. State your name for the record, sir.
Jeffrey Douglas Lee.
Mr. Lee, good morning to you.
Morning.
And Ms. McCall, good morning to you. Can you state? There we go.
Probation.
Very good. Always good to see you.
Always a
And
pleasure.
good to see you too, Mr. Lee.
Good to see you.
All right. I don't know. Is it? Oh, you better be.
Judge, Mr. Lee was placed on probation on August 4th, 2025 for 18 months. He was ordered to pay $2,050 in assessed fines and costs, attend and complete outpatient treatment, no alcohol, no marijuana, no illicit substance, random urinalysis 1 time per week, attend and complete the victim's impact panel as well as the alcohol highway safety program, complete 12 steps program once a week. That's what Mr. Lee was ordered to do. However, Mr. Lee last appeared on February 10th, 2026. And at that time, he was instructed to continue with all terms and conditions of probation. He needed $990 and assessed fine, $990 and urine screens due to the fact that he's complete screens with an outside agency. And Mr. Lee was allowed to complete community service in lieu of $500, and he was instructed to return today in person. And Mr. Lee has provided verification of completing outpatient treatment. He has completed the alcohol highway safety program. He has attended to 12-step meetings. He has viewed the consequence video, and his screenings have been negative. And Your Honor, on let's see, in regards to the community service, probation department completed an amended order that states the defendant has provided verification completing 25 hours of community service and his order to complete 38 hours and $500. The defendant provided verification of health issues and was unable to complete the remaining 13 hours. So therefore, the probation recommended that he pay $165 in lieu of those 13 hours.
It's gonna be 240.
In lieu of,
He looks really healthy for the lieu of the 13 hours. He looks pretty healthy to me.
he has health issues, Judge.
So
I'll
what,
let Mr.
let me ask you this. What, why was it 18 months?
Now that.
Had to be a reason for that. You know, don't you?
Not really.
I don't know.
I thought it was a little much.
Well,
First time offender.
I don't have his report with me.
My first time.
And,
Something went wrong.
yeah,
Because I don't usually do the 18 months unless something went wrong, something went left.
It should be in the file.
I have it here.
No show. There's no show.
Did he ever test positive?
No. No show. Sorry. Addressing her.
At court reporter here, I just need one person speaking at a time. Thank you.
How many months has he been on probation?
Been on probation so far, Your Honor, for 9 months.
I told him I'd review in 6. He's completed all the requirements except for the rest of the community service he's supposed to do.
That's correct, Judge. And he has a balance of $400, but Mr. Lee indicated that.
Oh, I see why.
Different.
On July 2nd, he tested positive for alcohol.
That must have been during his free trial. July 2nd.
What is your recommendation then, Ms.
The probation department is recommending that he have that balance of $400 and due to, this was an 18-month term, maybe we can come back, because he only been on probation just for 9 months.
All right, I'll amend it to pay 165 since that was the recommendation by the probation department. So I'll recommend you pay $165 extra. When are you going to get all this paid? So that puts it up to $4,565,
Okay,
Ms. McCall?
Yes, Judge.
When I was here, I asked you for the community service because I didn't have the money. So you said, okay, well, I give you 25 was mentioned. 25, I don't know what it was. I don't know how much it was, 25 community service. And then I said, and then I'll pay the other half. And it was 800 when we made that agreement. It was 975, but then I paid 170, so then that brought it down to 800. And I'm supposed to pay half of 800 in cash. And then the other was supposed to be community service. And then I got a slip. Once we made the agreement for 25, it had 25. I don't know if the 25 was what, $25 an hour or 25.
No, stop.
Okay.
You said you wrote it down, right? I didn't write how many community service.
I wrote it down is that, the probation department wrote it down as he was to complete 38 hours, that equals $500. That's half. And he's thinking that it was only supposed to be 25 hours.
Wow.
And that was it. But when I talked to Ms. Shelton with the community service specialist, she said $500 is 38 hours. So that's the agreement. That's what she gave me, 38 hours.
Well, that's I give a little more.
Oh, okay.
I do give a little more.
Yeah, sir.
Wait a minute.
I'm sorry.
This is why I did this too, because he does this all the time.
Okay.
He doesn't know when to shut up. So he did 25 hours of community service?
Yes, Judge.
All right, I'll give him the credit for the 25. And then what is that, so you still owe $400, right?
Yes.
So you can.
Okay. When I left out of this courtroom, I had something, a paper, and it had 25 on it.
Okay.
And then I gave it.
I'm giving you credit for 25 hours.
Okay, where's the 30? But I didn't have anything that had 38 on it.
Okay, I gave you credit for 25 hours. It was not 38, it was 25. I gave you the credit for it.
Okay.
So what else meaningful do you say now?
Okay, I'm asking where did the 38 come in? I never had anything that had 38 on it. I never had a paper that had 38 on it.
community service hours, your referral had 38 hours, and that totals $500. That's half of the month.
And I just told you that I instead of giving you the 38 hours for the 500, I gave you the 25 hours for the 500. Now, what else do you have to say?
I'm curious about the situation. I know what I had in my hand, and it said 25 hours, so I'm wondering where did 38 come from? Because I never had anything with 38 hours.
Now, do you understand now?
Yeah, I have to.
You don't have to. You got to understand it. If you don't understand it, listen. So I'm giving, which I'm basically saying is the stuff you had 25, I'm giving you credit for the 25, and I'm not considering what the probation department had on the 38.
Okay,
I'm giving you credit for the 25.
Thank you.
There you go. You're welcome. Now, where's the other $400? Did that have anything to do with the 400?
No, Judge, that was extra because his total of his probation was $2,050. That was the total of the entire probation. And we took off $990, which was in urine screens due to the fact that he was screening on an outside agency. We took that off February 10th. Then he completed 25 hours of community service. And we took off
$500.
Another $500.
Okay.
So now the balance is down to that he had was $400.
All right. What do you have to say about that, Mr. Lee?
And he paid $400 on, what was that, the 7th, on May 7th. He paid $400. It was $800 then, and it brought it down to $400. So he still has a balance of $400 in time.
And are you disputing that?
I'm just, I thought the way I was, keeping track that when I paid the 400, that was going to be it, because I thought that the community service. When I asked you about the situation, I said, "Well, I don't have money," so I said, "Well, can you give me enough community service to take care of half of it? And I'll pay the other half."
Okay, so now, just what you said, I gave you enough for more than half of it, and now this is the balance left, $400 that you said you will pay. That's your own words.
Yeah, but I'm saying, okay, I paid $430. I thought that was it.
Oh, well, you still owe $400. If you would have done the 38 hours of community service instead of the 25, you still owe $400. So that's another. You can make all those noises all you want to.
I feel that way.
Because what?
That's how I feel about it, because I don't have it. And
all right, 20 more hours. 20 more hours of community service. I'm paying you a lot more than the court recommends that I pay community service hours. I pay you a lot more than that. What do they say? Only give what, 12 or something, or $11 an hour for community service? I'm giving you $20 an hour for community service. I do that for everybody because I feel that $20 an hour is a decent starting livable wage. Thank you, Your Honor.
And that's why.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I said, thanks for listening. $25. I thought it was 25. I thought it meant $25 an hour. And I told her that.
$20 an hour. Always the same. It's the same for everybody. So $400. You got another 20 hours of community service to do, and we can get this closed out if he's done everything else.
So I can do some more community service
for the 400, or pay the $400.
Okay, if I can, I'll do it. Can I get another assignment somewhere?
How long is it going to take you to do it?
Because I want to go somewhere different. They don't give you enough hours. I need somewhere where they're going to let me do paid.
Okay, well, I'll talk to Ms. Shelton today when we return to the probation department and see what we have. Because Mr. Lee lives in Ypsilanti, so I have to see if she has another agency in Ypsilanti for him to.
Well, really, he's supposed to be doing it in Detroit. So he did all this community service in Ypsilanti.
Yes,
No, I'm sorry. I did here.
Where?
The community service I did on Woodward.
Oh, yeah, okay.
I did at St. Patrick's, so senior citizen.
Okay.
He
All right.
did in Detroit, Judge, but why you don't wanna go there now?
He doesn't get enough hours.
Enough hours. Well, we'll see if we can find something else. I'll ask Ms. Shelton when we go down.
All right, it's 20 hours of community service or $400, whichever one is coming first. I'll sign this order.
Thank you, Judge.
What is this for? The 165 for 12 hours now?
That
That's
was
already
for-
been
That
subtracted?
was the 38.
Yeah.
Since we deleting all of that.
You don't
wanna
need
just let
this.
this go?
You don't need this anymore?
No, probably not.
Okay.
We don't, because you fixed it today. You
Yeah.
just gave them credit for the 25. So we can just put a line to it.
All right. All right. So I'll say,
Understand, Mr. Lee? I want
Yes,
to
I
be
do.
sure you understand before we walk out this
I
courtroom.
do.
Exactly. What did he tell you to do?
40 hours.
no, I told you to do 20 hours.
20.
You do 40 now.
Do as much as you want. When can you have it done? You want to come back next month?
Please.
Come back on the 11th, June the 11th.
Judge Perkins,
Yes.
can I stop dropping mail?
Has he been clean the whole time?
Yes, Judge, he has.
All right, you can, I'll stop him from, stop testing.
Calling for the colors, man.
You said what?
I'm so,
And what's we don't need the phone number because he's got everything. June 11, 20 more hours of community service
For $400.
or $400.
All right.
All right.
thank you very much.
Have a great day.
All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lee, and good to see you, Mr. McCall. And we'll see you soon. Always a pleasure. Have a great day. All right. Let's go back on the record with let's go back on the record with Mr. Goddard. Mr. Goddard, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a pretrial?
Yes, it is. Actually, it's an arraignment, Judge.
No, what he wants is a pretrial?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, come back on, is that correct, Mr. Goddard?
Yes, sir.
Come back on June at 8. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Hey, what day was that again?
June the 4th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I haven't seen Ms. Horn yet. I do have a question maybe for you, Judge.
Who's that?
She hasn't showed up.
Mr. Luis Garcia, the fellow with the interpreter, he has an international license. Do I need that, square that with you, or will you take that?
Listen, by this time, let Miss, because he says that he got let Miss Horn deal with it about.
Absolutely. Okay.
About the tenant windows too.
That,
All right,
yeah.
this is the city of Detroit versus Traviana Latrice Long, case number SP1351582, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP1490964, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP14910211. SP1874000, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1874011, counts 1 and counts 2. SP893860, counts 1 and counts 2. SP9840801, SP989978, counts 1 and 2 and 3. SP994486, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run their license?
Is Mr. Barry up or me?
That's you.
Philip X. Walling representing Ms. Long, or Ms. Long.
Ms. Long, can you
Yes.
unmute your camera and state your name, please?
Traviana Long.
Good morning to you, Ms. Long. I'm gonna put you in the break. Walling, he's gonna attempt to get you, and today is date and time set for trial as well. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We're gonna run our license. Join the room when you see the prompt. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. If you don't like the offer, today is the day set for the trial. Join the
Okay.
room. Pass the matter. All right, Ms. Horn is back in 4. Mr. Berry, let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Mr. Gray?
Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Gray, he has a valid license, Mr. Berry. Let's go back
Yes,
on the
sir.
record. Mr. Robert Gray. Mr. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to 2 counts of improper plates for the registration charges and 2 counts of allowing for the license charges. The remaining, 5 matters to be dismissed.
He has a valid license.
Yes.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah, I take a deal, I guess.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Gray.
Okay.
Your right hand raised.
Yes, sir.
You swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Well, yes, I'm well aware of it now.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Is 2 improper plates and 2 allowings, Mr. Walling, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 30th, 2023 at around 11:25 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Is the date and time set for trial?
No, Your Honor. This is a date for arraignment on the bench warrant.
You want a trial date, sir?
No, I don't want. If I could pay it off, I can. Can I do that?
You can. I was gonna cut you a break anyway, but it just seems like it's a lot of tickets here and they're old. I can set you a trial date. I can see if you can
that's cool.
You want to try that?
Yeah, I'll try that.
I understand you got a license anyway. We'll set a trial date. Just keep the license valid, all right?
Okay.
You have valid insurance?
Yes.
All right, come back on the date of trial, bring the keep the license valid and come bring the valid insurance and registration. We'll see if the city gives you any come back on June the 9th. If not, I'll make it up on the sentencing. I think that you've done a good job of getting a license and keep your license valid, bring that insurance with you. Try to zoom in next time where we can see you, okay?
Okay, most definitely. Now, as far as the insurance, I don't have insurance, but I do ride for a company called Smart Flex. So I have, I'm sorry, not insurance, but registration. So I got to show, they got a registration when I enter my vehicle.
All right, just bring what you have.
Okay.
All right, keep the license valid.
Okay.
Be safe.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I will.
June 11th at 9 a.m.
Okay, June 11th, 9 a.m. If this with the same judge and everything, right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Do I
up-
get a Zoom? Do I get a Zoom ID?
You'll probably get. Did you get one in the mail the last time?
No, I went up to the court clerk's office.
Are you still on Westmoreland?
No, sir. I'm on. I stay in Pontiac now. It's 661 Lookout Street.
What's on your license? Okay.
Yep.
So
That's
it's
on my license.
Lookout.
661 Lookout Street. Yes.
All right.
Pontiac, Michigan.
We'll update that. You should get something, but don't rely on it.
Okay. Okay.
June
June 11th, 9:30.
Now.
Okay.
All right. Be safe.
All right. All right. Thanks a lot.
Best of luck
Bye-bye.
to you.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Judge, I did run Mr. Long's driver's license, it just hasn't come out yet.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Kavana Danielle George, case number SP 189-8776, counts 1 and counts 2, and 2677-41981. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. George.
Kavana Danielle George.
This is another individual that was supposed to be here on the 11th and missed it. I don't know what happened with that 11th day. Pardon me?
Today is the 11th.
No, oh, it is the 11th.
Yeah, you
Oh my.
said that earlier, and Mr. Walling, I'm sorry.
NPO Nichols was here. I sent somebody home without getting them their trial date then, huh?
You put someone in the breakout room with Mr. Walling when he was telling you today is the 11th. I'm not sure, but.
Darian Lilly? I don't know. Well, Miss Gilbert, today is the date and time set for trial. NPO Nichols did show. I don't know if he's here. I don't see him here now. But also she has a disregard and a red signal and in no insurance proof, Mr. Berry. Why don't you get Miss, if she wants to take care of those 2 tickets, you need to get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, and she can also go. I still think those tickets are set so that she can still make a formal or informal hearing date downstairs if she chooses to. Let me check it out. No, it's past the date. So get her a date, disregarding the red signal, no insurance proof, updated offer. Miss George, join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. That's
Okay.
Mr. Puta, are you ready to go on Mr. Lawson?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's called the City of Detroit versus Daniel Lawson, case number SP 187-1185, counts 1 and counts 2, 187-11861. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Julian Puda, P67520, on behalf of the defendant, Daniel Lawson. Mr. Lawson, please state your name.
Yeah, Daniel Michael Lawson Jr.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Turn your camera on, please. Today's date and time set for a set for a pretrial. What's going to happen, Mr. Poon? What should Mr. Lawson want to do? I know last time I had a discovery thing that indicated that it was set this date for a discovery issue.
We got the videos, Your Honor. We'd like to have the matter set for trial.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lawson?
Yes.
Trial date will be June the 11th. June the 11th at 9 a.m. Is that okay with your schedule, Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lawson, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Be safe.
All right, you too also.
Did he do the community service, this guy? Corporal Williams, they're in the breakout room. We're trying to work it out for long.
Okay, I don't know if they did a deal already. I was brought back out to the main room.
Yeah, Miss Horn, she's out. I don't know if she. Yes.
Just, Judge Perkins. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you.
Can you run Dietrich Garner's license, please? Trial at 9 a.m. Did I print that out yet? This Long's license is valid.
You said Dietrich Long? Sorry.
Dimitri
Okay.
Garner, I'll print it out.
Thank you.
Oh, I already did. Or maybe I didn't. Oh my goodness, this one is set for May the 11th, 2029.
That's a mistake on my part.
That's 3 years from now. One is right. The
Is
other,
he here though?
he's here.
Oh, one is right. One is right.
One is right, and the
Okay.
one and Corporal Rule
It's
still
the same.
works.
Okay.
No, it's let me see if it's the same
Same
officer.
attorney. Same officer.
No, different officers. Corporal Rule is still here too.
I have to reset it in. It's probably-
Or maybe if he like. Morning. What happened? My leg is messed up. Yep, got kicked in the back of the leg playing basketball, and right since it's been over a month. It's been over a month. It's been a month and a week now. The back of my calf, right below my calf, and above my Achilles, right there. And it's just been I did get it checked out. They said it was okay. It was just gonna take time to heal. So it's bruised. It's bruised bad.
All right, well, you heal up when you get.
All right, I'll be out there. Let's go back on the record. Oh, no, wait a minute.
All right, see you on 30. Judge, you got Demetrius Garner file?
Let's go back on the record with George. Miss George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do? Oh, no. You came out of the room, Miss George. You're not supposed to come out until you speak.
It was because I'm sorry, he wasn't in there. I don't know if he disconnected or.
Attorney, he's gone to speak with the city attorney. Rejoin the room, please. Wait on him, please.
Okay.
Gardner's file.
There it is.
Yeah, okay, I was just making sure you have a file.
It's probably gonna be a one anyway. It's probably gonna be a one for one anyway.
Suspended.
I knew that because he owes us no insurance proof.
So this is the one where I scheduled the ticket for 2029.
Yeah. One of them's 2029, one of
Six.
yeah.
It was an eye.
Madam Clerk, this is interpreter. Can you send Luis Garcia back to the break room number 3, please?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Acepte la invitación, señor Luis García.
That's looking good.
It's looking good. It's looking good. It's
I
looking
wrote back
good.
this morning. I was like, okay.
Yours is too?
Yeah. And I said, okay.
It's looking good.
That's what you talking about.
And we ain't done yet.
Okay.
Wow. See, really, I'm telling you, it's really you looking at next year now.
What do you mean it's gonna be better next?
Oh, it's gonna be better next year.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
now next year when you put this
Do the
yellow
raking,
bag down, now when you put this when you do the raking and stuff, that's gonna make it better.
Okay.
You need to aerate too.
What's the error?
Airway is putting these big old holes in them.
Okay.
So if you see one of those, companies, ask them, stop them. How much would you charge me to aerate this?
Okay, I'm gonna ask my line guy.
Yeah. If he's got an aerate machine.
He get him one.
If he's
It
got
must be looking. My neighbor was like, okay.
But I'm saying next year when you put this yellow bag down, it's gonna get rid of downlines and you should handle downlines next year.
Yeah, they did. They don't even have strength. They all looking.
Yeah, I'm telling you. But it's not. All right.
Got a little few ball spots, but I'm gonna just say. My neighbor was like, this is part of your brand.
All right, give me a second, Ms. Long.
I was like, okay.
And then I got some ball spots too. So it's actually an app that you can put on the thing. And
You gave me that app, right?
No. It's an app that you could take a picture of the ball spot and it tells you like vinegar or put bacon. I'm about to put some baking soda on these ball spots, but you didn't get that. You didn't get that Grub X either. Did you get that Grub?
With ball spots, and I looked and just said, "I got some ball spots too." And I wheeled her, and I said, "Let me mind my business."
I got one big ball spot, right?
I said, "Let me mind my corporate business."
I got one big ball spot.
I'll read about
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. George. Ms. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to blocking traffic for disregarding the red signal and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay?
Can I pay June hold on. Like June the 12th?
And pay it by June the 12th, 2026. 6, pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Ms. George, if there's nothing further, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, thank you. You too.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Shalfonte LaShonda Glenn. Case number SP 102-7371, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1341, SP 118-6226, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 124-03071, SP 153-55, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 889-114, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17-3050-721, 18-46-7588, counts 1, 2, and 3. 18-46-75-891, 17-33-2829, counts 1, 2, and 3. And the state of Michigan versus Shalfonte LaShonda Glenn, case number SX 322-03541. Appearance for the record, please. Can you run the license?
No, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glenn.
Shalfonte Glenn.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the time set for a trial. I had Detective Balaji here. I haven't seen Corporal Brosh, haven't seen Campbell. I had Officer Nazar here. I haven't seen Morton. I haven't seen Harba. I haven't seen Claiborne. I haven't seen Anderson, and the other ones don't have a name by them. Miss Glenn, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, and her license is valid. If you don't like the offer, Miss Glenn, you have an absolute right to it. And today is the date and time set for the trial. Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
And Your Honor, the people are just checking to see if Leticia Lowe appeared.
She did. She's here.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Walling, are you ready?
I'm ready, and Ms. Long. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Ms. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Ms. Long does have a valid driver's license, Mr. Walling.
Yes. And she has valid registration and insurance also, Your Honor. So I've pre-tried this with Ms. Horn. Ms. Horn is recommending that if you accept her plea to SP 187-40002, which is at the top of all of Ms. Long's cases, the Officer Bush case, and responsible for the bottom one, SP 187-40112, to operate texting as charged. First one's improper plate. The second one is texting as charged. Ms. Horn is willing to dismiss all the balance of these tickets because, amongst other things, some officers are not here, but mostly because she's in compliance.
You want to take the Ms. Long?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? The misdemeanor offense. Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to February 27, 2026, around 12:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Inglewood and John R. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce, was that your 2006 Nissan?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce valid insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't produce that insurance, could you, ma'am?
No.
Why not?
The car, was on medical leave. The car hasn't been driven in about 8 months, so I wasn't driving the car. And that particular day, I had to move it off the street.
So you got in there that time, huh?
Yeah, I had to move it off the street. They were redoing our streets, and they were told that we couldn't park on the street.
And
I
you
was
stayed
moving
in
it.
you stayed in the hood, and you wouldn't even go out the hood, did you?
No, I've been on
Right.
medical leave, so I haven't been driving.
I was going to ask the court to consider a suspended sentence on that ticket, since she is pleading responsible for the texting ticket.
And Your Honor, the people, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, Your Honor, we went into deep negotiations about this, and I would object simply by the number of tickets and the time frame that these tickets have been outstanding. I'm giving her a break, and that's the best one I got.
Thank you.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your behalf for the civil infraction.
Yes, I do.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of no, as charged to the texting while driving. And stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. I'm going to fine you $240 for the improper plate. When can you pay it? All right. You're not at work right now, correct?
No, I'm not due back to work till next month. So probably the 15th of next month.
All right, come back on the 15th of next. You want to do some community service?
No, I have one leg. I mean, what?
I'll give you till June 19th. They can give you some community service. They don't discriminate.
Okay. Oh, I didn't know. I mean, I thought it was, they want me to walk around. I can't.
Want to do community service for it, or you want to just pay the $240?
I can try the community service.
All right, 12 hours of community service.
Okay.
I do need a good phone number from you.
It's 313.
313
728 4316.
I'm gonna refer to community service. Speak to Miss Shelton. She should call you. You shouldn't have to call her. We'll come back on June the 11th. If it's cleared up, we'll close the matter out, okay? Or 12 hours. Community service. So you have a choice. You can, if you hit the lotto, then you can pay it at any DivDac City of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or you can do the community service, 12 hours of community service. I wish you the best of luck, Miss Long. Very good rest of your day.
Did you want to do the sentencing on the texting ticket, Judge?
I was going to cut her a break on that. She indicated that she wasn't working.
Thank you.
All right. Be safe.
Thank you. You do the same. Have a good day, Judge.
Well, all right. You're gonna go with Mr. Garcia, Mr. Walling?
I believe, Ms. Horn, are you monitoring us?
No, just wasn't sure if you needed me. I did write in the text to dismiss all counts for compliance.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
We're ready on Garcia.
And you have another Spanish, the translation case as well.
Okay.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia. Mr. Garcia, we're going to dismiss your cases for compliance.
Vamos a regresar en la causa del señor Luis García. Señor Luis García, se va a desestimar su causa por cumplimiento.
Have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you.
Que tenga un muy buen día y le deseo muy buena suerte.
And who's
thank you,
the
thank you.
other one?
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
De nada.
This is the city of Detroit versus Joyner Ezekiel Grudian Rocha. Case number SP 189-5240, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 189-53521. Appearance for the record, please.
Buenos días, estamos en la causa de la Fiscalía de la Ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Joyner Ezequiel Urdian Rocha. Tenemos dos números de causas. El número 1 es SP 189-52-402. El número 2 es SP 189-52-3531. Por favor, preséntense, por favor.
Perdón, la traductora, ¿ya terminó mi caso ya?
Excuse me, interpreter, am I done?
Yes. Yes, Luis.
Sí, ya se puede retirar, señor Luis.
Thank you, no tengo nada de cargo, ¿va?
So it was dismissed, correct?
Sí.
Yes.
Sí, ya se desestimó.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hasta luego.
Bueno.
Could you direct me to where Mr. Joyner's case is?
He was told to come back today. He's got a wrong way driving, no valid registration, and no valid insurance misdemeanor.
No.
Y me puede decir más o menos en qué estamos en la causa del señor Joyner, dice su abogado. El juez le dice, mire, él tiene 3 boletas, uno por no registro, uno por el sentido opuesto y el otro no tener seguro.
That was no registration, no insurance, and wrong way?
We'll call the date time set for arraignment.
Y el día de hoy estamos aquí para una lectura de cargos, comentó su abogado. Entonces usted comentó registro, seguro y sentido opuesto, su señoría.
And what were the charges again? I'm sorry, no registration?
¿Y cuáles eran los cargos?
A wrong way driving and no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay.
Mr. Grudan Rocha, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor Gurdian, lo voy a poner en una sala privada de consulta con su abogado Philip Whaling. Él le va a dar una oferta de resolución. Tenga por favor en consideración que usted tiene el derecho absoluto a tener un juicio. Si a usted no le gusta esta resolución, le podemos dar una fecha. Acepta la invitación.
Join the room.
Acepta la invitación.
So funny.
No, they just, Robert, they have 2 weeks. They didn't do it, so I requested it and they sent the wrong person.
The other Robert Lee, his dad.
Okay, but he wasn't scheduled for that. No, he got one.
He's in the room.
Right.
Okay. Right, Joe, this is it.
Yeah, so the patches could be that you have grubs in your grass. So you're supposed to put down once a year that grub X. Did I tell you about? I told you about.
You
that.
did tell me, but I didn't put it down. Is it too late?
No,
Okay, I have to buy it then. I'll buy it this weekend.
no.
You still gonna sell me the llama?
Yeah, I was gonna bring that by you this week.
Oh, okay. I have to try it.
Let me show you. Grub bags. Do you have a yellow bag, don't you?
Yeah, I put down, I put the blue bags, I did the weed and feed, that's what I did today.
No, the weed and feed is the yellow bag.
Yeah, I put that down.
When did you put that down?
I put it down, cause I read they said that you can do like late, I put it in April. They said like late April.
You just put it down because you wanted to get rid of them down.
Well, then they said.
You like my cousin.
No, then they said, I read, they said that you have to put it down after you cut your grass for the first time, so.
And the guy's got to be wet too.
It was wet, cause I waited, they said, get up in the morning when it's to do.
Uh-huh.
So I went out there. And
That's cool. So you don't have nothing until you can put the grub eggs down anytime.
Okay.
But you don't have nothing, the orange bag is next.
That's in the fall.
No, that's in the summer.
Oh, okay, I'll get those to me, yeah, but I can see a big difference. That little crabgrass is still holding on strong. It's this one, it's this one little circle about that big, it look kind of bad. I think I should just dig that. But I would be.
You can always do that.
It's like really, and I can just. Yeah, this looks a whole lot better. And plus, I think it's my name. Honey, they got all kind of noise unnecessary. I mean, I'm for gardens and stuff, but his gardens, he had all the tomatoes laying on the ground and stuff, and possums was eating. I mean, they would walk over in my yard, and when they didn't want to finish the tomato and just leave it.
Say they're done with that tomato.
Yeah.
They go get some better ones over there.
No, they were good. I ate one actually, but I mean, I cleaned it. They were the best tomato I've ever had.
I mean, the possum said,
I know you did.
I'll leave that tomato there. I'm going to give me another.
No, yeah, they was like just biting them.
My daughter was cracking up. They got that possum. He lives in our neighbor's yard under his porch. So my dog was out there one day and it ran at the possum. And she's looking out the window. She's trying to call the dog back, and the possum just went over dead. and then the dog is just looking at it like he's just looking at it. And my daughter, she had never seen the possum play dead like that. And he's like, the dog just walked away, and the next thing you know, that possum got up and took off running.
So ugly, they can play there.
I wonder what makes them not want to eat them dead.
They ugly. They're like, you dead, I'm down.
Well, they look the same way, dead or alive.
I'm just saying. You're like, you be looking, I'm out of here. Okay, here I come.
He was on the floor. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Rocha. Mr. Rocha, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a retomar la causa del señor Rocha. Señor Rocha, yo le di una oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, ¿qué es lo que vamos a hacer?
Is that Mr. Joyner?
Ese es el señor
Okay.
Gordon. Sí.
Your Honor, my name is Philip X. Walling. You're calling it an arraignment today, so I'll call it an arraignment today. At this time, if there are any bench warrants, I'd ask they be recalled. And my client, for arraignment purposes, wishes to waive the formal reading. Stand mute.
Sí, mire, su señoría, mi nombre es Philly Boylen y yo estoy aquí representando al señor Gurdian. Usted le llamó lectura de cargos, entonces yo también le voy a llamar lectura de cargos. Le voy a pedir que si hubiera una orden de arresto judicial por no presentarse, que se retire en este momento.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Is there a resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. There's a big note from, oh, I'm sorry.
Entonces voy a hacer una presentación de no culpabilidad para su cliente y voy a presentar una fianza de $0. ¿Y cuál es la resolución?
There's a big note from Madam Corporation Counsel to dismiss all counts. I concur.
Sí, su señoría, hay una anotación por parte de la fiscal y ella está pidiendo que se desestime y yo acepto y me adhiero a esto.
Okay, all counts are dismissed. Mr. Rocha, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Bueno, muy bien, entonces todas las boletas se van a desestimar. Si no hay nada más, señor Joyner, le deseo que tenga un muy buen día y muy buena suerte para usted.
Muchísimas gracias igualmente.
Thank you so much and same to you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Gracias.
where was this case on the docket for today?
Well,
Sí, señoría.
I'm sorry, what's the spelling of the full name?
Spell your full name.
Ya me puedo retirar, perdón. Ya me
Señor,
puedo
por
retirar.
favor, can I leave? Can I leave?
What, after we get the spelling down, who's ever going to do that?
Mire, señor, denos su nombre completo, por favor, deletrelo. Joyner, se lo voy a decir yo y usted me dice si está correcto.
Ajá.
¿Sí? Joyner, Joiner. Segundo nombre, Ezequiel, Ezequiel. Gurdian, Gurdian. Rocha, Rocha.
Exacto.
Okay, I got it. It's going to be Joyner, Joiner. Ezequiel, Ezequiel. First last name, Gurdian, Gurdian. Last in Rocha, Rocha.
And there's no hyphen between the two that I saw.
That is correct.
Judge, was this the SP 189524001? Am I? Yes.
Yes.
And
yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Rocha, be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor Rocha, se me cuida y que tenga muy buen día.
Muchísimas gracias y muchísimas gracias a usted, intérprete, también por ayudarme.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for the interpreter for helping me.
You're welcome.
Un placer.
And Mr. Walling, you're testing Madam Interpreter's skills, and I don't think that you can. She's gonna. You can say paragraphs, and she'll get it.
You know, I kept my mouth closed and let her do her thing as much as humanly possible. I know that's rare.
Thank you. I appreciate both of you.
And best of luck to you. I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Wallen. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Be well.
Ya se puede retirar, señor. You can leave now.
This is the City of Detroit versus Dimitri Earl Garner, case number SP 108-07901, SP 133-42901. Appearance for the record, please.
Are you up, Woody, or me?
You.
Philip X. Walling representing Mr. Garner. I see it. Scheduled for trial today.
Mr. Garner, good morning to you. Could you unmute yourself, please? Press by pressing *6. Mr. Walling, there's another drive while suspended on here. It was inaccurately put in the system as May the 11th, 2029 instead of May the 11th, 2026. So it should have been another driving while license repeat offender. Mr. Garner also owes $288 for no insurance proof. If he paid that, he could have potentially set himself up to have a valid license, and he owes another $120 for improper towing. Those are both in default a while ago. Mr. Garner, state your name for the record, please.
Dimitri Earl Garner.
All right, and Mr. Walling's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Have a conversation with him. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Johnson did appear. He's not here right now, though. Join the room and speak to Mr. Walling. pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Glenn. Miss Glenn, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Miss Glenn's license is valid. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to improper plates for the matter ending in 3711, the first ticket on the docket, to enter a plea to allowing for the driving while license suspended charge at 2341, and finally the improper plates as charged ending in 2552. The remaining matters.
We're going to consolidate this and just give her the improper plate. We'll try to take the factual basis to the first lead ticket. So 3 misdemeanors, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know about taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me carry your attention way back. See if you can remember. Back to, strike that, September 24th, 2019, at around 12:24 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and Plymouth. You recall driving a 2004 Dodge and getting in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
And whose 2004 Dodge was that? Was that your 2000 Dodge, a black 2004 Dodge?
Black?
Black.
Oh yes, yeah. That was actually mine.
Okay, and you were operating
Stratus.
that 2004 Dodge when you got pulled over, is that correct?
Yes.
And the officer asked you to produce valid license, registration, and insurance, is that correct?
Correct.
You couldn't do either, could you?
No, I couldn't.
And why is that?
Because I didn't have I didn't have a license.
And you didn't have registration or insurance, is that correct?
Correct.
All right, I'm gonna find you now. Mr. Berry is just one improper plate, one allowing, and what is it? One other misdemeanor as well?
2 improper plates and the allowing.
Okay. All right, I'll find your client guilty of improper plate for the not having your registration, improper plate for the not having the insurance, and allowing for not having the license. Thank you. You got me. Thank you. All right. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters. Here, you want to do? Come on, let's switch. You want to do my job?
No, sir.
You did a good job. You did a good job.
Thank you.
You know, Mr. Berry, I was hung up. Mr. Berry didn't bail me out.
That's right. Mr. Berry didn't know either. But we're going to stipulate to the matter, Your Honor.
Okay, with those stipulations, Ms. Glenn, I'm going to dismiss the other matters. Are you working, ma'am?
Yes.
Oh, so you can pay all of this then, huh? I'm going to fine you. Well, here's what I'll do. You owe a lot of reinstatement fees. I'll cut you a break. I'll only fine you for one of them, okay? Because you owe a lot of. It's $240. $240. When can you pay it?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that again?
$240. When can you pay?
Okay. Today is the 11th. My next billing is I can pay today, not the 11th. No, today is the 11th.
Today is the 11th.
Okay, that's the holiday, the 25th. So can we go with the 26th of May?
The 26th of May?
Yes.
But that's put the date on it. I'll even go the 29th of May, ma'am.
Okay.
29th, add at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. I'm going to waive fees. You have a whole host of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. So you don't be alarmed when you see that. It's not going to affect your driver's license, but at some point the court is going to come after that money. But I'm just concerned about the 240. All right.
Okay, I do have a question about that because I went down there when we was having and I paid like almost like 1,400.
Yeah, you paid the fractions that you could pay.
Okay.
You couldn't come to court for these.
And I thought I was done.
You're not done yet, but you got that driver's license, so you don't have to worry about Corporal Hayward. You can say, "Hey, Corporal Hayward, here. Hey, I got my license." Yeah.
Okay, well,
Somebody write you a ticket for something, but at least. So, Miss Glenn, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
It's going to read 285 too. And again, I'm only concerned about the 240, but it will read 285 because that's one of the ones with the $45 reinstatement fee.
Okay.
But I do best of luck. Come back on the 29th. If it's paid, you don't have to come back. If it's not paid, I need to see you. You pay it at any DivDad kiosk in Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. Again, congratulations on the license and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
I will. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Corporal Hayward, would you be safe?
Will do. Take care, Your Honor.
Are you as well? All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Leticia Jean Lowe, case number SP 1424174, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, how you doing, Latasia Lowe?
Letasia, I'm sorry, Miss Lowe. Good morning to you.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, Ms. Lowe, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Hook, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning. Nicholas Haupt, badge 179, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Date and time set for a trial. Good morning to you, Officer Huff. Miss Lowe, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna try to work it out for you. And if you don't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial. The license bill?
It's restricted.
License is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. You have anybody, Mr. Walling?
We're ready on Garner.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner. Mr. Garner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Now, while I was talking to Mr. Garner, Ms. Horn broke in. She said that if he pays that 288 you referenced and the 120, she'd move to dismiss the 2 tickets that are now pending. I talked to Mr. Garner about that. He's going to need some time to accomplish that. Why don't you give us a date sometime that first week of June or maybe even the second week of June?
Well, Ms. Horn, do you mind just dismissing it now? If he doesn't pay it, he won't get a license.
Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, I'm moving to dismiss, I believe, the license issues. I think he currently has the 288 and 120 owing on the civil infractions. I'm just asking that he pay those.
Well, he's gonna have to pay it in order to get a license. So we'll grant it dismiss per city attorney. And if you don't pay it, you don't get a license. You don't have to come back here, Mr. And I'm gonna waive the warrant fee and you owe a $45 reinstatement fee as well, okay, Mr. Garner? Is Mr. Garner there? Press star 6 to unmute yourself, sir. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you got to pay those matters and well, I don't know if you'll get a license then, even if you pay those. I just know that you'll get clearances here at the 36th District Court because I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions.
Understandable.
Okay, so your case is dismissed, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Ms. Horn.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Ms. Green, are you there?
Yes.
Last but not least.
No, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I came at 8:17, but I had no internet. So I had to use my neighbor's phone.
I didn't say anything about your timing, ma'am. You just
Okay, I just didn't want you to think I was late. Because I really was
down the last one.
I know, because I was late because they wouldn't register on time.
We're in 109s now. This is the city of Detroit versus Lakeisha Green. Case number SP 1888595, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1901688, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1901936, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling, representing Lakeisha Green. State your name, Ms. Green.
Lakeisha Green.
I don't want her getting disorderly on me, Mr. Walling. So I just about the time.
No, Your Honor, that's not me.
I'm gonna so Mr. Walling, it would get it's a couple of matters that I called into the record that are not on the docket. When you have your ink pen ready, let me know.
I'm ready for those non-docket tickets, please.
No insurance misdemeanor, open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver, disorderly person, and pedestrian walk roadway. I'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. I'll give her a $0 bond. Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Walling. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
So that open alcohol driver, etc., is not on the dockets to go with our open alcohol driver that is on the docket. Is that correct?
Right. There you
Okay.
go.
Come on, Ms. Green. Let's go into a room.
Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lowe. Ms. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, Ms. Lowe has a valid license.
And she has valid insurance, Your Honor. We seek dismissal.
All right. Any objection, Ms. Horn?
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ms. Lowe, nobody gets out of it's seeming like nobody gets out of here scot-free because you owe $174 on an improper display of plate, ma'am. Okay. I'm waiving the warrant fee though, and we're going to dismiss these cases. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Lowe, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, and congratulations on the license. Okay.
Thank you.
What do you want me to?
That's it.
All right.
She just got to pay the $174.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck to you. You're free to leave, Ms. Lowe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I actually looked at my grass yesterday. What I did was I cut my lawnmower, I set it to the highest setting.
So you said your lawnmower
To the highest setting, yeah. So I want mine a little bit higher.
You want it,
especially in the front. And so I was like, okay. It's looking good.
They just grow faster than the grass.
But that's easy. Those are the easiest things to get rid of.
Yeah, they gone. They gone.
Those
I'm just saying when I was dealing with it,
Yeah.
you look out the window and they all what?
And those are the easiest things to deal with. You got those other things like those purple violets. I got those purple violets. They're dying.
Oh, okay.
Because I got some other stuff for those.
They seem to die. I died off too though. I don't see them. They did. And then I would be having the watercress in my grass. I had everything. I think somebody might have been growing some food on it. I had watercress. I had wild scallions. There's a lot of stuff in there.
And they're gone?
Hmm?
What about the backyard? Is it growing now?
The backyard, the dandelion thing did. It was a lot. But I think the backyard, the grass is pretty much just crabgrass. That's the whole.
But you just got to keep on feeding it. So
yeah, it's just. I think I gotta.
If you keep on using that thing next year, it's gonna be better. It's gonna be better. Watch. It just takes time. Like my cousin, I told her to put the blue bag down, and she got dandelion. Now she got a lot of yard.
A lot of grass.
Yes, a whole lot. So anyway, she puts it down, right? And then she was like, so I was like, you get the yellow bag for the dandelions. So she went right out and got the yellow bag and wanted to put it down too. I said, no, you gonna burn your grass up.
I got one little burnt spot, but I think that might be for me not watering.
I said, you gonna burn your grass up. Just say, I want to get rid of these dandelions. I'm like, listen, you gotta wait. You know what I'm saying? You gotta, it takes time. You can't just go and just keep on putting fertilizer down. So I convinced her to stop. Don't put it down yet.
I think if I had to go back in that other week, because I went back and did it again, and that's how I think I burnt that one. It's like a little one spot, but I won't be doing that again. Because I didn't want to have to pay the company to come out. So the company that always come out, I think.
True Green?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're expensive. This is the same stuff.
I know. Should have stayed in my little long.
You got a nice girl.
Yeah, it's cool. Should have stayed there because I didn't have to worry about stuff like that. But it's okay.
You don't have a plan for her, do you? So this lady here, what about this community service?
Glenn?
No, Latia, I don't know.
Glenn
Latia Little did.
Glenn, she had nothing for
So they didn't pay either. They didn't pay. They didn't pay. Oh my daughter, I was taking her to lunch.
Water your glass early in the morning, but I didn't.
It is. You should water early in the morning. You gotta get up earlier.
I mean, I'll be up, but that's why I didn't get a dog.
And you know why?
Getting a dog after my mom died.
You know why you water early in the morning?
Yeah, I know.
Because
it's better for the grass. It stops the fungal and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm on it.
You on it. You on it.
I'm on it. I'm learning.
You know how to
My father used to be a gardener. My father used to have a garden when I was a kid. So
you gonna have the best grass in the dang city in a minute.
My father, he used to grow vegetables and stuff, and I would always be hanging out with him.
Except my neighbor, he got the best grass I've ever seen in my life.
Oh, okay.
He's super rich.
So my dad wound up moving back to Ohio for where he was from.
Dayton.
Yes. He had a nice yard. He had his little porch. Still had one of those screened in porches. is on the little landscape. And I think I'll be good if I can get that done this year. Cause what's the name is gonna do all, I wanna get the little landscaping done. And the landscaping, I can just fix the front of my house. I just need that done, cause I had those possums living under my house. Well, I had a hole, I have a hole, like this is my house, this is a little area, and it's a little hole. And the possums and the cats and the groundhogs was crawling in the hole. But what it is, this is my neighbor house, and our house meet. And it's really his house, but the hole is on his house. He claims because it's on my side, it's my property. But the houses meet like this, it's a joint property.
I know what it looks like.
Yeah, and it's like, but you gotta get up under there. And then there's a little hole that drops in the corner, and then the animals was crawling out of it. So I put chicken wire last winter so they can't get under there. They was kind of mad because they kept poking their heads at the chicken wire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this, it's like a rustic edge. You see them, they're like rustic looking, it's like an edge. So I'm just gonna take it all around the flower bed and it's just gonna block it. You can zip it to the house. And then they definitely won't be able to get it.
Why don't you just fill it in with dirt?
I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna pack it in.
With the chicken wire.
Yeah, I am. I'm moving the chicken wire, but I might have somebody pull it up. We're gonna pack it in with dirt.
So they gotten in, like they got around the chicken wire
No,
though?
they didn't do that. Because the possum was living in there. The groundhogs and the cats was fighting them.
He got another spot to come out, you know
I
that.
think what I think it is, because I kind of looked it up about 2 years ago. I think they're coming out of my neighbor's house.
They living in his house.
Well, I think they said they have an exit and an entrance.
Oh, they got a way to get out.
Yeah, so what they doing was, I think they was crawling out of my house and they was coming out of her yard, because I would always see them. I saw the groundhog in her yard one day.
Take some water and run it down there. And he gonna run out
But I was gonna tell her that she needs to put the same water that I had. They say them channels can be deep into the ground.
deep. And then they got other stuff into the ground too. So they can go, they got them a whole house down there and
They got the
stuff.
whole house on there, but they haven't been coming back up on my way. I don't know. The possums was on coming out. Yeah. And that's why they was coming up, going in my neighbor's yard, eating them tomatoes. We couldn't even step on the porch. And the mailman, and she had some babies want something. Hello, how are you? Go.
I've got a client who has some old because I can't remember now that it's actually looks up the stuff that we were feeling. I don't know. I didn't want to disturb him if he was.
No, I heard Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm all right. How about yourself?
You know, I'm good. I don't ever get down here. But I had something this morning and it's always fun to come and see everybody. What's going on? You good?
I'm good. I'm good.
What's your client's last name?
Potts. First name is
You
Clyde.
said Potts?
Potts, Potts.
Okay, Mike. You sure it's Judge Perkins?
What's
the first name?
Clyde. So he's got felonies that we took care of in front of Judge Taylor this morning, but
He's finished Perkins.
yeah, there's a bunch of other ones that where it says
You got a
Sean
warrant.
Perkins.
We can remove the warrant instead of court date.
That'd be great. I actually do. We just finished up in Judge Taylor's and I sent him on his way. And I said I would find out what to do.
So it's Edward Clyde Potts, is that
Yeah.
right?
Is it junior or regular 77?
Yes.
Uh, 2 weeks from today, is that good?
No, I'm gonna be in California visiting my daughter who's gonna make me a grandma for the first time.
Oh, great, congratulations.
Look, I lived long enough.
So you need longer than that. When will you return?
I'm actually coming back on the 27th.
Okay, it's a Wednesday. It might be a Wednesday though. It's fine. Let's see.
So I'm assuming I'll touch base with the city attorney and then we come in on whatever date and hopefully put some kind of resolution on the record. Is that?
Okay, the 20, you want 27th, that's good, or you want another extra day?
Can I do it the week after that?
You want to set it for the 3rd? Or the 4th?
June, either one, 3rd or 4th,
that's
I'm
fine.
absolutely free.
June the 4th. Well, no, I'm gonna do June the 3rd, because he's out. It's gonna be at 8:30 on Zoom. What you wanna, what's your P number?
Mine is 39531.
Are we ready?
31.
Yes, we are.
You gonna take a plea?
Yes. So just so you know, and I hope Ms. Horn is monitoring this, make sure I got it right. She's pleading to open alcohol on the today's docket as charged. The no registration and improper plates to be dismissed. I believe there's another open alcohol that's going to be dismissed because she's pleading as a driver. The disorderly person is as charged as a delayed sentence. The pedestrian in road as charged as a delayed sentence. I believe everything else is to be dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So I got a open alcohol on a motor vehicle driver as charged, right?
Correct.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's 2 points on your driver's license. You understand that, ma'am?
That's 4 points as a driver, Judge. 3, I'm sorry, 3.
I thought it was 2.
I thought a driver was 3 and a passenger's 2.
Driver's 2, passengers 2, no difference.
Okay.
Passenger just sounds better.
Yeah. The driver's license, the other open alcohol, what is that reduced to?
That one's being dismissed because she's pleading as charged on the other one.
And then we have disorderly person.
As charged, but a delayed sentence.
And as charged and road pedestrian and roadway.
As charged, a delayed sentence. Both of those for 3 months.
You want to take the deal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can see why I said I don't want any static. I don't want them to get disorderly on me, Mr. Walling.
No, Your Honor.
I settled her down, Judge. You know.
As charged. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Walling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Know about taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 23rd, 2026, around 2:51 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Francis and Electric. She's all the way on the southwest side, huh?
The wrong place at the wrong place. Yes, Your Honor.
And were you out there at that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have contact with the Detroit police?
Yes.
And were you walking in the roadway?
Yes.
All right. In the middle of the street?
Like on the side of it, but like, you know, on the curb, you know, like on the side of the street, not in the middle, but I was walking in the street.
And it had a sidewalk, right?
Yes, they did. But it was dark over there. I didn't want to go on the sidewalk, but yes, I was in the street. It was real dark, no street lights on that block, but yes.
All right.
So you're safer walking in the street than on the sidewalk that's dark?
I mean, because it was dark over there. I was scared, but yeah, I was out there.
No. No. You were not scared.
I swear, no streetlights right there.
No, you were not scared. You hang out over here all the time.
No, I don't even live out there. I stay on West Warren area. I don't stay in that area.
I didn't say you lived over there. I said you hang out over there.
Not no more. I don't. That's my past. That's 10 years ago, yeah. But no.
Yeah. But you just decided to come back because you weren't scared. All right.
But you know what?
Stop him. No. Don't explain nothing.
All right. How were you disorderly?
When he took my car.
Ah.
When he took my vehicle.
You went ham, huh?
No, I didn't. No.
So how were you disorderly?
Because when he took my car, because like I had registration and everything for my vehicle, and he just didn't want to listen and stuff, so he took my vehicle anyway. So that's why he wasn't listening to me.
Were you out there yelling at him or something?
No, it was the person I was with too, though. It was me yelling at him.
Both
so I
of you were yelling, right?
Yeah, both of them was.
Hey, there we go.
My vehicle.
All right. Fine.
And he pulled all my bags out. That's why I was mad.
And you agree that disturbed the good, quiet nature of the community over there, correct?
I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong.
Didn't you disturb the quiet nature of the community over there?
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
Find her guilty as charged as a disorderly person. I don't know why we have to take two factual bases. Well, we'll just plead to this disorderly conduct. Where did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
No, I didn't.
Was there alcohol in the vehicle?
Yeah, we found alcohol in the building, in the vehicle.
And the alcohol was open?
I don't even think it was open. I'm not sure. I don't believe it was open because he had opened it and had poured it all out. It was we had just left the store. It was a brand new bottle.
Yeah, so he had opened some, he poured some in the cup, right?
No, y'all not. He just opened about it. The police had opened about and poured it all out.
So it wasn't.
It was in the back seat.
It wasn't open at the time.
I don't recall it. I never opened nobody. It wasn't open at the time because I seen her had popped the top and opened the officer had opened the top and had poured it all out. The top had to be cracked already if it was already open.
Is that so? So we have a disorderly conduct as charged, a preliminary roadway as charged, and an open alcohol in the motor vehicle as charged driver. Right?
That's correct, because you were
and,
the driver,
and everything else is dismissed, correct?
Yes.
All right. Let me carry your attention back to April the 4th, 2026, around 6:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Devereaux and 30th Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
There's some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
It was, Your Honor.
Was the alcohol open?
I think that one was. That one was open.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
I believe it was Tito's. I want to say it was Tito's.
All right. I'll find your client guilty as charged to the open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. $240 is the fine for that. $240 is the fine for disorderly person, and I won't fine her for the walking in the street. I think I understand where she's coming from about walking in the street. She's saying that it's very dark over there, and the sidewalk is darker, and you don't know if anybody's behind those houses or coming out and things like that.
Yeah, and there's a lot of trees over there, so I was just trying to, get home.
All right. Well, all right. All right. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
240 and 240. When can you pay it?
Yeah, and I just moved into my house. Like, can you just work with me like these? Like, can I do a payment?
Yeah, he's
plan?
asking you when you can pay it. Can you pay it in 30 days? Can you pay it in
Oh, here we go.
45 days?
That's
Here
why
we go.
I'm
Here we go. No, here we go.
Here
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. I'm going to give you until June the 11th to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I'm also marking the file allow payment plan. So if you can't pay it, get into a payment plan on or before June 11th. Okay?
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
That payment plan. If there's nothing further, Ms. Green, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.